welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to create a business account in Facebook. So first go to your business.facebook.com/overview and it will open this page. After you open this page, go here, create an account, click on create an account, and here you need to put your details, your business and account name. It says that this should match the public name of your business since it will be visible across Facebook. It cannot contain special characters. So write down one business name. Okay, let's write down the comedy. Okay, write down your name, write down your business email, and then submit it. Then please choose another. It said that unable to create account, the name you choose for this business manager is not valid. So let's change something else. Something like and then submit it. Confirm your email ID. Click the link sent to the email to receive full access to this account, and done. Now you have to go back to your email and then you have to click the link which you received from Facebook to confirm that you are the owner of this account and you get the full access to the account. Press it done. And now go here and you can see that your new business account is created and currently there is 0 business assets. It's because no pages is added with this page and you cannot click on it as well because I haven't verified it from the Hotmail. So log into your Hotmail or go to your email where you should get the message. Go to the junk and you can see that your access to the advertiser has registered Facebook. Confirm your business ID. Yeah, confirm it now. Now you have confirmed it. Now you can see the pages like this. Before we were unable to click it. When I dropped down this one I was unable to click, and now I'm able to click it and the new business account is created and have all full access. Now I can connect to the Instagram account, I can connect to WhatsApp account, go to the pages and you can see that there is no pages added currently. And when you go to the people, there is only one person who got the full access of this business, and which is myself because I just created it. This is how you created the business account in Facebook. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.